Hey there, math enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we embark on exciting mathematical journeys. Today, we have a fascinating equation to solve together. It involves trigonometry and angles, so get ready to unlock the secrets of trigonometric identities. Let's dive right in. The equation we're delving into today is cosine 2 theta plus sine squared theta equals 0, where 0 degrees less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 360 degrees. To find the values of theta that satisfy this equation, we'll utilize the powerful tools of trigonometry. Let's begin by examining the equation. Cosine 2 theta plus sine squared theta equals 0. We notice that cosine 2 theta can be expressed in terms of the double angle formula. According to this formula, cosine 2 theta equals 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. Substituting this expression into our equation, we have 1 minus 2 sine squared theta plus sine squared theta equals 0. Simplifying further, we find 1 minus sine squared theta equals 0. Due to the Pythagorean identity 1 minus sine squared theta is equal to cosine squared theta, we can rewrite the equation as cosine squared theta equals 0. We know that the cosine function oscillates between -1 and 1. However, cosine squared theta can only be equal to 0 if cosine theta equals 0. Therefore, the solution to cosine squared theta equals 0 is cosine theta equals 0. Now, let's determine the values of theta that satisfy the equation within the given range of 0 degrees less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 360 degrees. When cosine theta equals 0, we know that it occurs at 90 degrees and 270 degrees. Therefore, the solutions to the equation cosine 2 theta plus sine squared theta equals 0 within the range of 0 degrees less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 360 degrees are theta equals 90 degrees and theta equals 270 degrees. And there you have it. We successfully solved the equation using the double angle formula and trigonometric identities. Remember to verify your answers and explore further applications of trigonometry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more math-related content. Also, feel free to drop any suggestions for future topics in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and keep exploring the fascinating world of mathematics.